Hello guys, my name is Jonathan Winder and this is my personal introduction video. A little bit about who I am personally. I grew up in Troy, Kansas and graduated from Troy High School in 2002. I've been happily married to my wife Callie for 13 years. We love the outdoors and enjoy staying active. As you can see here, my hobbies include golfing and biking. We just recently moved back home to the Troy and Highland, Kansas area. Professionally, I'm a graduate of Missouri Western State University with a bachelor's degree in physical education. I will begin my 14th year teaching PE and coaching in the Wathena and Riverside School District this fall. My favorite part of this profession is building relationships with my students and the staff I work with. It's my daily goal to make a positive impact on every student I encounter. Yes, this past year and a half has been challenging. The biggest challenge during the pandemic was when it originally started and we were fully remote, trying to get students to do physical education um, online and remotely was kind of tough. This past year, our school was in person the whole year, and I thought it went great considering the circumstances. Looking at our resources, they talked about three types of mindsets for principals. Number one, all students can learn and grow. I think that it's our job to find out how they learn best and use that to help them be the best they can be. Number two, teacher collaboration over individual teacher talent. I definitely think we are better together and we all bring something to the table to benefit the team um, that is going to get more done than one person would alone. Number three is happiness and optimism. Five types of dispositions for school leaders. Number one is confidence. It's my daily goal to be confident but remain humble. Number two, risk taker and decisive. I think this is one thing I need to improve on, being a risk taker. I play it safe quite a bit. Number three, sense of humor. This is something I like to have daily. I think it's important, and I tell my students that I want to have fun, but we also need to know when to take care of business. Number four, empathetically assertive. I think it's important to be patient, but understand when to be firm. And number five, it is also important to be a lifelong learner. Three types of practices for school leaders. Number one, focus and prioritizing. To me, this meant simplifying things and to finish each task at hand in order of importance. Number two, examining feedback and data. Number three, emotional intelligence. I think to do this, it's important to build great relationships with others, and that way we can understand how to motivate them to be their best. The 8 principles of ethical leadership. Number one, personal courage. Very important. Agree with it. Number two, public interest ahead of self. Absolutely. Number three, self control, self discipline, and integrity. Definitely agree with all of these. Number four, task and employee centeredness. Number five, recognizing talent. Number six, requiring high ethics from everyone. Very important. Number seven, sensitivity and understanding. And number eight, inclusiveness. I think all these things are very important. My personal and professional critique. I believe my current mindset, disposition, teaching practices, and ethical principles are all strengths for me. I feel they will definitely help me as a future school leader. And the approach that I take daily definitely supports the educational success and well being of my students and adults around me. Here's my standard correlation, relevance, and reflection. I'll let you look at that and read that on your own. And here are my references. I look forward to meeting all of you and getting to know you throughout this class. Take care.